Wendy from Westbury has a question about a moisture reading.
Well, she's a Harvey victim, Tom. Wendy writes, our flood carrier only recommended that we sanitize our porcelain tile. Just sanitize it. You'll be fine, he says. So flood waters had stayed in the house for about 48 hours. Well, yesterday, after 6 months, we laid a masonry moisture meter on the floor, and it registered between 84 and 99%.
Whoa.
So, Tom, Wendy wants to know if this is evidence that the tile should have been replaced in the first place.
All tiles should have been replaced if you had that kind of flood water for that length of time. And we've discussed this with many people. In fact, Jason over at Texas Floors and I have had talked about this quite a bit. And it's not just the moisture, it's the bacterias and stuff. And they're doing tests now on underneath some of the tiles, and they're finding stuff that you don't want to be living in. So this floor needs to come out, and everything needs to dry out, and then you can put a new floor in. But the bottom line is, with everybody that tried to save their tile floor, there's no doubt you can sanitize the top because it's ceramic tile, but everything that gets down inside of it, and remember, tile's only sealed on the top. The underside's a porous material. It all soaks in there, and you've got all kinds of crud in there. It's got to come out.
So what about her claim now? If she's already gotten the claim,
I think she can go back and get the money.
I get the feeling that's why she asked the question. Is this proof?
So you had to fight a little bit, but when you get a claim, that doesn't mean, hey, we don't care about you anymore. You can go back and say, hey, something we found out is like this. You go to the right people. You can have that claim upped.
Do you know where the name Wendy comes from?
The hamburger place.
No.
What?
Peter Pan. The name
That's
Wendy
true.
did not exist before Peter Pan. So, Wendy.
Interesting.
Get a little pixie dust, and you get that tile fixed, no doubt. And we'll fix your questions without pixie dust. Just send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. You can see some of our answers over here. And, you'd be doing us a solid if you'd subscribe to our channel.